Avenida Marginal, dual lamb,林茂海邊大馬路, slices of Macau Streets of Macau. Oh, walking down Avenida Marginal, dual lamb. Oh, walking on down beautiful Avenida Marginal, dual lamb. Just walking down Avenida Marginal, do Lamau. My Macau. Avenida Marginal, do Lamau. In old beautiful Macau with that beautiful coastline. Oh, Avenida Marginal, do Lamau.
Okay, we have another one in Macau, so we're going to show you what this particular street looks like. I'm going to tell you about this particular person. It has back to history for Chinese person, 1840s, 1850s. Marginal means waterfront. So we're going to be walking down this waterfront, but there's a lot of reclaimed land these days. So it's not actually waterfront anymore, but there are some places where some docks and ships are at. But anyways, our street, I believe it starts down there just a little bit, but it's kind of a long street, so we're going to start it here. Let me put it up on the map, and then we'll get into the history about it and show you what it looks like in this slice of Macau right here for you. Pretty cool apartment building right there to the right in the brown. Okay, stay tuned. Up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be walking down this Marginal, which is a Portuguese word for like a waterfront. And actually you can see this building from all over the city, CEM, big tall building, but there's a few kind of tall buildings that dot the skyline. And I never really noticed this particular one so much either, this brown one, but I can see the windows on some amazing views, and they would be able to easily see this waterfront over here, which is the Marginal. And actually through here you can see that's the waterfront right there. I think this is not open to the public, but those are like government edificio. Let's see. So we're gonna walk down our target street, and I'll tell you all about Lamau as well. That's kind of interesting too. You can see the Casino Lisboa, the Golden Tower, straight ahead through those buildings. So that's kind of a building that's quite iconic to Macau history, that casino. And it's interesting because you can see it in a lot of different locations. And let me kind of fill in some more about this Lamau before I get into the history of it. Those buildings over there, there's like another reclaimed land area that we're going to talk about as well. But yeah, they have a little bit of a harbor right in here. I think we'll be able to see it slightly. And then this is our Avenida du Lamau. It's pretty interesting. I think we're gonna walk all the way down it. There's actually a waterfront too, and I think the street is so long that I often film parts of it. Somebody on my channel who said, you know, I never see gas stations in Macau. I think partially because I'm usually filming kind of the smaller areas. I usually try to avoid these areas where I'm kind of in the road a little bit. Like right now, this is one giant space that cars can just zip in real quick. There's a there's a Star Mart. So yeah, for those of you that don't see many gas stations, there's one right there. Our street is kind of long. I filmed it not too long ago, this particular Avenida. But this time I'm going to try to do it a little bit differently. So I'm going to, there's a port in here. So there's like a little port in there. And then you have to go through immigration to bring your boat out, register with your passport or your Macau ID or whatever it is. And you just kind of come through here, register there, and then you can leave your boat here. And I met a few years ago, I met somebody from South Africa who was living here kind of permanently, and he had a houseboat right in there. So he would actually bring people on tours, and he kind of somewhat lived in there as well. So yeah, and over there there's like another little peninsula, so they built that into the water, and then they have all these tall, so it's like, I think that's called Fai Chi Ke. Fai Chi Ke means like chopsticks sticking out of the earth, so people labeled it as such. And then over on the other side, I think like in that direction, you know, there's like layers of I think that's the direction of I think Green Island is up that way and the border is up that way. And I did film this waterfront not too long ago, and I think I'm gonna try to go on the other side of the street. So if you want to see more of the waterfront side, I'll always attach the stuff the last time that I was in the same area, then you'll be able to see it. Well, no, actually, let's go right up to here again. Yeah, that's kind of beautiful, actually. Yeah, that's really, really nice. Okay, so we're gonna go to the other side of the street. Look at these beautiful trees. South China, Macau has beautiful, beautiful trees like this. Okay. So what we're gonna do is try to cross the street, and then we're gonna go down the other side of the street, and we're gonna try to give an idea what the whole street looks like a little bit. We got some basketball right in here. Yeah, I have explored in some of this and different videos, but I'll attach the last time. And over there, there's a place called Brews, like a cinema pub, which is kind of interesting as well. And I'm gonna try to stick to this side of the street today, on this Avenida Lamau. You know, I've been up in here once. So up there, there's a nice balcony right up there, and it has like some really good food specials. You see here's some little alleys. Yeah, this green leaf. You see. So yeah, some pretty good tasty food right there. Curry. Okay. So yeah, this is kind of a long street. We're gonna try to capture the whole street if we can. Lots of stuff for kids. Lots of beautiful, beautiful buildings all around this whole area as well. And then of course the waterfront on that side, and you can access that. Look at these kind of nice trees over there too. These trees, I see them everywhere in this part of China, Zhuhai as well. They plant them, those big palm trees like that style. Okay, so a place for community. We're gonna walk all the way down our street. I try not to film kids too much, so I'm gonna avoid that, but that's there. And now you can see all the waterfront and the ships as well over there. And this Lam Mao, I don't think I've filmed it from end to end before. Huh, we got like a whole little sand pit in there. This is a street I don't think I filmed this one before. If I get a chance, I'll try to film it today. All of it. Actually, this I still got to go into the history of Lam Mao, so I'll do that as well. So Lam Mao is, here's a happy hour right here, club, kid adult club, happy hour, or karaoke. It's a karaoke place. Let's see. Take the crosswalk. So a lot of this is all reclaimed land. So we're on reclaimed land. So this is all one reclamation project, and then they built Lam Mao waterfront. And Lam Mao refers to a Chinese merchant from the 1840s, 1850s. And he led, At that particular time, there was a governor of Portugal, governor of Macau from Portugal, and his name is Amaral. And Amaral wanted to tax, like spread out Macau into the Chinese territories where we're at now, and wanted to tax the people that lived in this area, all the Chinese settlements that made this community home. Lan Mao was a Chinese businessman, a merchant, who organized a rebellion to fight against those taxes coming from Portugal, to kind of incorporate this area and spread out the city and to tax the residents that lived here. So he created kind of an anti-tax rebellion. And then when Amaral, this part of the story I don't fully know it, but I know it a little bit. But he was on a horse, I believe, and he was traveling up in these areas, and they killed him. And they kind of did a big statement about expanding Macau, and so Lan Mao was the one who led that. This is a little travessa, the Lan Mao, but we're on the Marginal, Avenida Marginal de Lan Mao. And all of this is all reclaimed land. So this was on the waterfront. So all of this that we're on was once waterfront too. But they expanded this and then created that peninsula out there. And then there's a little bit of a area for the ships. Okay. We'll keep on walking down. And Lan Mao will continue up underneath this another walking bridge that brings people over to this other side. So yeah, the way that the areas were built was kind of reclaimed upon reclamation. So it's so Macau is kind of continually spreading into the ocean and like stretching out its borders, land borders. So this would have been one marker, and then I believe they would have created another one over there, so that's why it feels a little bit disjointed. And then you have this big road with car traffic, and so there's some of these to go across it. Yeah, the street is, you can see some rooftop stuff over there. There's a whole community with all the trees up there. That's quite common in Macau. So a lot of times it would be like a whole other world above the buildings on all the rooftops. Okay. This little side street is a reference to the Red Market, which would be down there somewhere. And we're still continuing on our Marginal to Lan Mao. And we'll keep on going down. And I want to complete the entire street, so it's going to go down just a little bit further. I want to capture the whole thing. I'm also kind of recording stuff so that it's kind of recorded in time. You see, looks like that those are covered, so I don't know if that implies that it's a new business or a business that's anyways. So I believe we're going to come to an end. These little smiley faces right here. So yeah, so basically I'm trying to record stuff so we have exactly a record of what it looks like in 2026, because Macau continues to change constantly. And then we have a record of exactly what it looks like in 2026. There's some really nice trees right there. So basically that's basically the street that we walk down. And then we're gonna go down just a little bit further. You see. Let me see how this goes here. We'll just kind of meander this way. Okay. I believe the street's going to end. Here's something called the Loft. I think the Loft is a bar. I think our street might actually go down a little bit further. I don't know. We'll find out in a minute. I believe we're on the Patani Street now. And then I think we can see our street over there. It says Marginal de la Mao, so I can see that it continues. And up there is something called Don Don Donkey. And the Don Don Donkey is like one full city block over there. We'll try to get past here a little bit. And I believe that's going to be the end of the street as well. But yeah, this Don Don Donkey is a Japanese establishment, and this was huge in the region, Hong Kong, but it comes out of Japan originally. So when this was first built, this whole city block, it had long lines that were out there for. But anyways, that's the Don Don Donkey out there, and I believe that we're going to come to an end for our particular street. So we just come up to this corner, look down the side streets, and then we're going to end our video. And if we can, I'll yeah, there's our sign right there, Marginal de Patani. So just changed, and now we're on Hua Sul Patani. But yeah, this is a Don Don Donkey. You can access it different areas. That goes to the waterfront, that goes to the border. So right way down there I can see a building to Zhuhai. So Green Island must be over that way. And we're gonna end our video. So another little slice of Macau for you.